Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact?
Somebody cut off my ear!
Okay.
So are you done giving out everything?
Yes, except for one piece of bone.
Look for Francesco Bernoulli in particular to lead early, and with a series of technical turns throughout, GT and Touring.
Good job, Helly. At this height, we can reach him with the rope. Roy, let's bring him down.
And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
You're gonna fit right in.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government! They're feeding us a...
We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Will you turn that?
One, two, three. A winner.
Who'll be jamming now?
Court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Tag, you're in.
You know, the Rusty's medicated bumper ointment team ran a great race today.
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing here?
Hello, Mater. It's so...
Not, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boy.
What just happened? That was the deal. You are not a nice guy. Well, seriously, I gotta say, you do make a quote.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I would...
¡Sale el disfraz! Al principio creí que estabas aquí porque tu GPS se había averiado.
So he finally gets to meet his dad. That's great!
Förloraren blir av med all extra utrustning och förvandlas till standardmodell.
Like this guy?
Right. Storm achieves his top speeds.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
He cut himself off, disappeared to radiator springs. Son of a gun didn't talk to me for 50.
McQueen and Sally, Department Agent Drake, KISS.
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them looked more like a...